Level of detail expressions, summary. In this section, we explored level of detail expressions, and hopefully you now have a good understanding of how they work and the immense power they bring to Tableau. We looked at the possible scoping keywords and the syntax for LOD expressions. These included fixed expressions where we are defining our own level of detail, our own dimensions of which the aggregation will be computed. We then looked at the include expressions, where we are adding dimensions to the dimensions in the current view. And finally, exclude, where we have aggregations being calculated based on dimensions in the view. We might want to remove these items, remove dimensions, so that gives us a lot of capability. We also looked at nested LOD expressions. LODs can include other LODs, however, be a little bit careful about those and performance. We looked at filtering and how we can use LODs in our filter conditions, where they sit in the precedence, what are the filtering orders. And finally, we looked at the limitations of level of detail expressions. So what are the things that you should be aware of? What are the things that you should take into consideration while you're writing your LOD expressions? Now, I hope you've learned a lot. However, in the next section, we are going to reinforce this by going through several exercises together. So I hope you're looking forward to that.